There's one Apple device that everyone has completely ignored, but it's secretly becoming the most powerful computer in your entire home. Top supply chain analysts and Bloomberg insiders have just leaked the specs for the 2026 Apple TV 4K, revealing a radical hardware shift that will completely redefine the living room. Driven by two massive hidden upgrades, its seamless integration as a true spatial computing hub, and the raw, lightning-fast processing power of entirely on-device Apple Intelligence. I know half of you are going to completely disagree with me on that. So jump into the comments and tell me exactly why I'm wrong. While you're down there, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let's break these two hidden upgrades down one by one. First, for the very first time, a simple TV box is getting dedicated spatial computing power. For years, the Apple TV was just a streaming device. Now, it has become the powerful localized brain for your Vision Pro and your entire smart home ecosystem. By offloading the heavy spatial rendering to the blazing fast M5 chip inside the Apple TV, Apple has finally solved the latency and battery drain issues that have always plagued standalone headsets. It's no longer just feeding your television. It's now rendering your entire mixed reality living space in real time. This brings us to the second massive upgrade, the complete elimination of cloud dependency. Until now, smart homes were held back by cloud processing, which meant lag, privacy risks, and frustrating connection failures. The 2026 Apple TV localizes every Siri and Apple Intelligence request right on the device. It no longer needs to ping a server in California just to turn off your lights or recommend what to watch. The neural engine now handles your voice, your habits, and every automation instantly, right in your living room. We were all busy watching the iPhone 18 and the next generation of Macs. But the data is clear. The real revolution is sitting quietly under your television. The 2026 Apple TV isn't an accessory anymore. It is the mainframe. Now, let's talk about how this stacks up against Google TV. Google has pushed hard with Gemini AI on their Google TV streamer. They offer excellent personalized recommendations, natural conversational search, and strong smart home integration. For the price, it's a very capable device, especially if you live in the Google ecosystem. But the 2026 Apple TV is playing a completely different game. Where Google still depends heavily on cloud processing for Gemini, Apple has brought true on-device Apple Intelligence straight to the living room. That means lightning-fast responses, zero latency, full privacy, and reliable performance even without internet. And most importantly, spatial computing. This is where there is simply no competition. Google TV has nothing that comes close to the Apple TV's role as a powerful localized processor and spatial rendering hub for Vision Pro. It doesn't just feed your TV, it powers your entire mixed reality living space. Google TV remains a fantastic streaming box. The new Apple TV is becoming the true mainframe of your home. Now, let's talk about how this stacks up against Amazon Fire TV. Amazon has made Fire TV incredibly affordable and user-friendly, with deep Alexa voice control, a huge content library, and tight Prime Video integration. For the price, it's a very strong streaming box, especially if you're already living in the Amazon ecosystem. But the 2026 Apple TV is playing a completely different game, where Amazon still depends on cloud-heavy Alexa processing, which means occasional lag, privacy trade-offs, and reliance on internet. Apple has brought true on-device Apple Intelligence straight into the living room. Lightning fast, fully private, and rock solid even when the connection drops. And spatial computing? Amazon Fire TV has zero answer for it. No dedicated processor, no offloading for Vision Pro, no real-time mixed reality rendering of your entire living space. Amazon Fire TV remains a fantastic, budget-friendly streamer. The new Apple TV isn't just another box under your TV. It is the mainframe. If this breakdown helped you make a better buying decision today, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the upcoming leaks that could completely change your mind next month.